So a little way to help you put your own bracelets on. My son has no nails. Penny has no opposable thumbs. My husband, there, see? Boom. All right, so I showed you guys the other day, and here we have Sparkle & Co.'s jewelry. Now, I totally didn't think I was gonna like these earrings because I just feel like the tassels are a bit too much for me. Maybe just one tassel, but they are adorable. And here is the bracelet. I love this. Now, I have already promised my daughter the earrings, but she is not getting this bracelet. It's so cute. It's got the cutest little S&Co. So cute. Little heart on there. All right, nobody's getting the bracelet. This bracelet is going to be up on the site on the 18th, and it's in their jewelry, Luxe jewelry line. And this one is a sterling silver dot bracelet. It is $18. That is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. And now on to Fall into Winter, Sparkle & Co. So this is their Fall into Winter collection, and it will also be up on the website on September 20th, which is today. So first we have Fall into Winter, and it is a gray with all these beautiful gold and copper sparkles and shimmers. Here, let me zoom in a little maybe. 171 is called Layering Up, and it is like a beautiful soft pink sweater with gold shimmers all in it. I'm gonna say so pretty a lot, so get used to it. 172, You Are Gorgeous. Well, thank you, so are you. 173 is Spiced Wine. Oh, that's definitely not showing. Well, I know what I can see and what you can see right now is a lot different probably, but look how pretty. And it is a wine color, like a burgundy wine color with all these glitter. And I am going to show you on my nails. I'm not going to just show you swatch sticks. 174 is Autumn Skies. Oh, it's a beautiful stormy dark blue with the same color. I mean, I think it looks to me like they're all the same color glitters and shimmers. They're just like coppery and gold. 175 is Pumpkin Kisses, and it is just a deep copper. 176 is Fireside Cider. Again, same copper, gold, beautiful sparkles in it. And this one is, yeah, cider, like a dark apple cider. Oh, actually, that shows it better without my hand there as far as the color. It's like a dark, kind of taupey. Really pretty. And then last we have 177, Changing Leaves. And it is a beautiful, like sage green with those same gold. And that one kind of reflects a little green because of the green. All right, I'm going to be using Sparkle & Co.'s gel base and top coat as my liquids. And I'll try not to talk too much while you enjoy the nice evening sounds of crickets. First up is 170, and it is a gray. 171, and it is a really pale pink. Just beautiful. Here's one coat. Yeah, dogs next door ruining the ambiance here. And there's two coats, top coated. I am going to use this Edgebus plate because it's fall into winter, so you know, some leaves and snowflakes. $172 and $173. You are gorgeous. Well, yes, I am. Thank you. So are you. And spiced wine. And you're going to see just a little bit of what I'm actually seeing here, right there. I'm in here working, and they're in there playing. Spinning on my bed, I'm sure. Tearing up my bed. Alright, so I was going to cut out the dog and the kid playing there, but it was just too funny. And here's two coats, top coated. I'll tell you what, when you're filming, you try to put as much light as possible so that you can really see the glitter and the reflection. But these, I mean, they're even sparklier when it's dim light because they just catch everything. They just remind me of when you throw another log on the fire and it throws up embers that glow and copper and gold. This is it. This is what they've captured in these dips. I absolutely love these things. Now this one I feel like is really like a taupe, and then the like mint green, sage green. Two coats. I wish I had a gel matte top coat I liked. And here they are, top coated. Just so pretty. $74 and $75. Autumn Breeze. And this pumpkin, it's so copper, and it's almost like pigment powder that you would rub into your nail. The copper is. And I'm gonna put up some macros and pictures of each mani at the end. Oh, I cut my finger filing right in that crease, and man, it hurts. It's all red. These would be so pretty matte. I just love them. I should have done 3 coats. That's 2 coats top coated, and you see how this pumpkin and this blue just gets like, I don't know, stormy. So pretty. Alright, you guys. I hope you enjoyed these as much as I do. These 2 are my favorite, I gotta say. I love them all, but these 2 are my favorite. Alright, thanks for joining me, and stick around, there's more to come. Alright, you guys, as a thank you for using my name as referring you to Sparkle & Co. when you do your first order, and I've been using the credits to accumulate things to give you guys. So in the description box below will be complete rules and how to enter the giveaway. Sparkle & Co. did not sponsor a giveaway. I've just used the credits to purchase some things, and then I don't use the dip liquids that I get in my subscription box, so I'm going to be giving those to you guys. Oh.
Regular.
Here, Lucas.
Want to throw somebody? Lucas! Where are you going? Come here! Come here, I'll throw some.
Kind of like the dog treats. What are you throwing these toward chicks, Mom? These are pretty good.
One coming out of the
Yeah.
woods.
Yeah, I don't know what he does in those woods, but he comes out of them. I'm gonna get the turkey. I'm right here, turkey. Come here, turkey. I gotta get you. He gone. Bye-bye, chickies. Oh no, she cares more about the dogs. Wait. Get out of my yard. Get out of my yard. Go on. Come on, let's play.
No, you guys stay outside.
There she goes. There she goes. You.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.